Hello YouTube. Alright, on this video I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield washer pump. Looks like this, Motorcraft. So this vehicle is a 2017 Ford E-350 Super Duty. Basically it's an RV. So yeah, very simple. So as you can see, the windshield washer fill station is right here. So the pump is located under here. So in order to get to that, the reservoir, basically to get to the reservoir, and then the windshield washer pump, this replacement part is on top of it. So in order to get to that, we have to remove the battery, and then the tray under the battery. So that's what we're going to do first. But before you do that, we have to disconnect your negative. So as you know, RVs have a house battery. So first we have to disconnect the house battery negative, and then we're going to come and remove this battery, and then we're going to get to the pump. I'll show you step by step. All right, let's do that first. The question is, how do you know if your windshield washer pump is defective? So my case is, whenever I, the reservoir is full of windshield washer, and then whenever I press, the button to spray the water, there is no like sound. There's just nothing, no sound at all. You don't hear the pump working at all, no sound. That's when you know that this pump has fallen, is defective, and it needs to be changed. Yeah, but if you hear that there is a sound, the pump is if you hear the hum sound, that means it might not be your pump. You might have to look somewhere else. Might be the line or something. But if you don't hear any sound and you're pressing the pump, that means this is need to be replaced. All right, let's go. All right, beautiful people. Okay, so we removed the battery and the tray. So now what you see right here is the reservoir. This is the windshield washer reservoir. So the windshield pump that we need to replace is all the way down below it. So what we need to do is we need to remove this reservoir first. So as you can see, this reservoir is held in by two bolts. There's one on this side, on the left side. See that bolt? We need to remove that. And then there is one, right? With my fingers, right, that one. So you access it from behind. So we need to remove these two bolts, and that's the next step basically. And then we can get to the bottom. And if the reservoir is full of windshield washer, you have to have a bucket ready to drain it. All right, let's remove these two bolts now. Okay, let's go. All right, so now the two bolts are removed. So next step is removing this hose. Basically, we have to disconnect this hose, and then we can just pull this out. But without disconnecting this hose first, it's going to be hard. I mean, it's moving. You see that's moving, and mine is full of windshield washer fluid. So I'm going to have to find out a way, or maybe I might have to take out the whole thing at the same time with the liquid, and then maybe dump it later. But yeah, first we need to unhook this. Let's do that. This hose. Alrighty. All right. So now we pulled out the reservoir. As you can see, there's only two bolts, one here, and then one on the side. Yeah, just remove those two bolts and you just pull it up. When you pull it up, you'll have these hoses here. Make sure that these hoses are kind of freed. One of the hoses kind of slides in here, so you have to kind of pull it out from here, and then from the bottom, just make sure there's all the hoses are like not too attached. The bottom it goes through this truck, so just remove it from this truck, and then now you have access to the pump. There it looks like. Yeah. So now the bottom of the pump, what I did is I just dumped next to me on the hose all the liquid. I just dumped it from the side. Now we're gonna pull out this pump. So yeah, this one, we're just gonna pull it out from below right here. It's just just put a screwdriver here and just you know, pry it, you know, just pry it and it will pull out. I can show you. Yeah, so what I'm saying is, yeah, just put a screwdriver here and just, you know, pry it and it will pop off. Let's do that. All right, so before that, actually there is this hose. This hose, yeah, we have to just pull it out. Let's do that, and then we can wiggle this out. All right, so now we pull this out. So next is when, you know, you just take this out, right? So this is the filter. So this is the filter, so you want to take this out and clean it, or the new one. Actually, the new one comes, let me show you. Yeah, so the new one comes with the pump. Also with the filter. Don't tell me I dropped it. Uh-oh, there's a new one. The new one comes with the filter. Where did I do it? Yeah, I have to find it. But yeah, the new one comes with its own filter, so that you don't have to use this one. So, but yeah, you just have to again pry this out and clean it, and then even you can rinse the whole container with you know, clean water. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna have to do. I don't know where I put the new filter replacement one instead of using the old one, so I'm gonna find that out, and then we're gonna take the old one out, clean the tank, and then put the new filter, and then slide in the new pump, and then just everything reverse process. All right, let's continue. All right, so we got the old filter out. Yep, I'm not gonna use that. I found the new filter. It comes with this part, so I'm gonna, under the description, I'm gonna put the link, the Amazon affiliate link. Check it out if you need it. Yeah, so we're gonna wash this now, and then put the filter, and then push, basically you push the pump onto the, see, like that. Once this is in, and then you put the pump in here, and then the hose in here, and then basically the new one already have the socket plugged in on top, so you just put the socket. That's it. All right, let's continue. All right, so now we put the new one. Make sure that it's seated properly all the way in. You have to push it really hard, like with your finger, so that it's flush in. There's no like gap or anything, otherwise you're gonna have a leak. So this is completely flush in. I don't know if you can see, but all the way in. Make sure. Yeah, and basically now it's ready for the hose to be installed here, and then for the socket, and then put the bolts. Everything reverse process. All right, and then just fill it up with water and test it. That's how you do it. That's how you change the windshield washer pump on most Ford RVs. And mine is 2017. Hope this helps. All right, ciao.